What the hell? What the fuck is going on here, Dave?
It's not what it looks like, babe.
No, it's quite innocent, Nikki.
Is it, Karen? Because it looks like the old friends with benefits scenario from where I'm standing.
No, look, Nikki, we're just workmates. We're just having a laugh, that's all.
Oh my god, piss off, Dave. I knew something was going on between you two.
It's nothing, Nikki. You're overreacting.
Overreacting? Overreacting? Do you want to see overreacting, Karen?
No, she doesn't, Nikki. There's just a little misunderstanding from your end.
Oh, right. So I'm supposed to be copping the blame here, am I?
No, look, you don't understand.
Shit, Nikki! Didn't have to punch him for fuck's sake.
If you don't leave right now, I'll hit you as well. Right, that gets rid of your slutty girlfriend.
Nikki,
One more word out of you, and I hit you again. And this time, I won't hold back.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.